Client changed design midway. Here's what happened. Nasa gitna na ng construction. Tapos, sasabihin ni client, pwede ba natin baguhin? At doon nag-start ang problema. Kasi guys, real talk, design changes during construction, hindi to simple. Hi, I'm Ira from Bohandi Architects. Today, pag-uusapan natin what really happens kapag nagbago ang design habang ongoing ang construction. Hindi ito tungkol sa blame, kundi sa consequences. If you're planning to build, listen to this. Unang kailangan mong maintindihan sa construction is a sequence. Step by step. Step by step ito. Hindi siya pwedeng i-reset anytime because once you move forward, going back has a cost. At ayaw natin ng cost. Ayaw natin ng cost. Ito ang typical scenario. May nagustuhan ng client online or may na-realize na mas gusto pala niyang ibang layout. Then sasabihin, pwede bang palitan? Yes, pwede. Pero hindi libre. Because every change has a cost. Kapag nag-change ang design mid-construction, ito ang nangyayari. Una, titigil ang trabaho. Hindi pwedeng tuloy habang nag-iisip. Kailangan malinaw muna ang bagong direksyon. Pangalawa, mag-review ulit ng design. Plans, measurement, layout, lahat kailangan i-adjust. Pangatlo, materials. Yung nabili na, pwede nang hindi gamitin. So as you can see, change doesn't just affect design. It affects everything at ang init! Ang init! Now, cost. Ito yung hindi inaasahan ng client. Kapag may binago, may tatanggalin, may uulitin, may bagong bibilhin, meaning doble gastos. Doble gastos. You don't just pay for the new, you also pay for what you undo. Yes. Next, time. Kapag may change, delay sa decision, delay sa materials, delay sa execution. Timeline mo, mag-a-adjust yan. Kung 12 months sinabi ni contractor, 24 months yan. Every change pushes the timeline. Next, kapag may binago, nagiging magulo ang flow. Nagiging inconsistent ang trabaho, mas tumataas ang chances ng error. Changes disrupt momentum. Changes are okay kung early stage, kung minimal, at kung planned properly. Pero nagiging problema siya kapag late stage na, kapag structural na ang binabago, at kapag walang clear decision. Late changes are expensive changes. So ano ang lesson? Design phase pa lang, ma'am, pag-isipan mo na ng mabuti. Kasi once mag-construction ka na, mahal na ang magbago. Hindi bawal magbago ha, pero dapat alam mo ang kapalit. Cost, time, at risk. The earlier you design, the cheaper it is. If you're planning to build, finalize your design before construction because changes later will always cost you more. And if you're planning to build with Bohandi. Bye!